Hey guys, so when it comes to overlanding and touring around the world, there's not many more iconic vehicles than the Land Rover Defender. Honestly, one of the best looking vehicles that there is out there. You can bolt literally anything onto these and make them look even more fantastic than they are. So today we've got this iconic little TD5 coming in. So it's a Defender 90, the short wheelbase, TD5 motor. These were produced between 1998 and 2007 on their production run. And honestly, it looks really cool. Nicknamed Bumblebee, as it's been laser cut into the side steps or the rock sliders over there, obviously because of the colors. And this is an original Land Rover color. If I'm not mistaken, it's like a golden yellow. Now, on the front end, we're sporting an ALB bull bar. On the driver's side, a Safari snorkel coming in there, just giving you that high mount air intake there. Set of BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. Now, these are permanent four-wheel drive factory standard, as many of you know, with a central diff lock on them. And yeah, as far as accessories goes, we've got the side rails with the rocks sliders over there. Really nice laser cut Bumblebee logo into it. The steel wheels at the back, a custom ladder. And on the driver's side, we have got a jerry can mount that fits right on the bang on the window from Front Runner Outfitters. Now, really handy in the sides of here is this big gull wing opening window. That is just giving huge space. And when it comes to just style of these, the retro style that they got, simplicity is the game. So simple dual battery system, got access into the Engel fridge right in the back here without even having any slides or anything. Literally open the door, get your beers out. Very simple drawer system layout inside, but it honestly works really well. Now, our job today is to get the DX27 Rooftop Tent mounted to the top of this. We're going to be using some front runner load bars with the gutter mount feet on there, getting the tent on, and also fitting a set of MaxTrax holders for the side, just adding on to the kit of this lovely vehicle. So let's get stuck into it. Righto, so been through the workshop for the last few hours. We fitted additional load bars for the roof and a set of MaxTrax brackets on the driver's side of the vehicle as well, mounted on straight onto the DX27 tent. That's on with the 3 front runner load bars with the high number 7 feet, so just clearing the top of the roof nicely, giving more than enough space. The customer wanted the tent more central with the whole vehicle, being a short wheelbase. So we just space it over the front a bit and just over the rear, slightly overhanging it as well. As far as setup goes, super easy. Just open up that spare wheel, grab the ladder out the rear of the car. There we go. Got that. Ladder comes up, clips into place. Like that. Climb up there. The 2 latches, very, very simple. Pop that open, and while we're there, we just grab this bungee cord, pull that straight down. 1 spring rod. Just put the hook in there. Bring that up to the corner. Like that. Get it down and into place. And this one as well. Now the nice thing with this is being pretty easy to get to from the ground as well. I can literally go in like this, hold that in place, and clip that in. It's that simple. DX27 tent setup, ready to go. Nice and easy setup, simple and quick, guys. Thanks for watching this video on this install on this Defender 90. And don't forget to go bush. For more information on our DX27 tent, pop to our website at thebushcompany.com. Catch you later.